The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for southern Baltimore County in northern Maryland, Baltimore City in northern Maryland, northern Anne Arundel County in central Maryland, southeastern Howard County in central
You're in the way, because it's messing up the reception.
2 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated very heavy rain capable of producing flash flooding. Radar estimates that up to 1 inch of rain has already fallen across much of the warned area. Additional rainfall amounts of up to 1 inch can be expected, especially in and just south of Baltimore City. Some locations that are affected by the heavy rain include BWI Airport, Arbutus, Police Quarters, Brooklyn Park, Catonsville, Columbia, Dundalk, Elkridge, Ellicott City, Essex, Fells Point, Ferndale, Fort Meade, Glen Burnie, Greenhaven, Lougern, Middle River, Milford Mill, Parkville, Pasadena, Pomfrey, Rosedale, Rossville, Severn, Southgate, Whitemarsh, Woodlawn, and Baltimore City. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, underpasses, and other drainage areas in low-lying spots. Severe thunderstorm watch number 306 has been canceled for the following county: District of Columbia and Montgomery County, Maryland.
Wow. Oh, crap. Uh-oh. Wow! It's getting green. Alright. It's getting green.